So guys, today is July 16 and this is my first time to go on a little hike. So pupunta ako sa Laguna del Campillo and time check now, it's 4:40 AM in the morning. Ang aga kasi hindi ako makatulog. I'm so excited. So ang gagawin ko now is magkukook ng baon ko, sandwich and breakfast. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I'm done eating. I'm gonna go shower now. So guys, it's now currently around 6:15 AM. 6 nagbubukas yung metro, so yeah. Diretso na ako sa line 9, which is yun yung sasakyan ko hanggang papunta doon sa saan ulit yun? Ewan ko. Basta doon. Medyo mahangin guys, kaya nag-jacket ako. Sheesh! So guys, so boom 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 boom, dito tayo pupunta. Minsan na naman, so it's last train na ako guys, malayo-layo pa pala yung pupuntahan. So yeah, I feel a little bit tired kasi ang aga ko nagising, so I don't know. Kakababa ko lang and here namin sa Rivas Vacia Madrid liner. Angas! So guys, I'm here. I don't know what to say. Let's go! Silong Tantulay guys! Wow! Bundok guys! Sakto lang pala guys, nagdala ako ng windbreaker kasi it's a little bit cold. Okay naman, medyo mahangin onte pero malamig siya sa feeling, so goods din, nagdala ako ng jacket. Nice guys. Sana may drone no, papaliparin mo dyan no, no? Pag trippings mo yung mga hiking ganon, angas niyan, di ba? Medyo malayo-layo pa yung lalakarin ko, so yun lang. Bye! May ulit guys, there's a pool. Wow, I wanna go to the pool. I can. Let's go walk. Walk. My compass, my transport. So guys, malfunction. Naputol na lang siya out of nowhere here. I mean, it's not a big deal naman kasi pwede mo naman siyang itaas baba na lang manually. So yeah, okay na rin yan, mas madali. So, goods na rin. So this, yes! Oh, ayan. Kita nyo guys. Ano po? Yes, sarap lang. Ayun na. Joke lang guys, nasa gilid pa rin ako ng kalsada. Layo! So guys, talagang tripod siya. Pwede mo siyang ganito. Hi guys! Crazy. Wala na akong magawa. Drone shot guys, drone shot. Drone shot! Wait, may airplane sa doon. Wala. Maganda dun oh. Kita niyo ba yun? Doon. Grabe. Miss ko na si baby. Kita ko siya sa likod ng cellphone ko. Tawag siya. Miss ko na siya guys. joke. I miss you, baby. Guys! Yan ba yun? Bawal eh. Pero punta ako. Malapit ako eh. Picture kaya ako. Sige, tara.
What the hell?
Kita niyo yun, guys. May nest. Angas. Gusto ko talaga. Hey! Wow. Tara, talon. Guys, hindi ko alam kung sure, di ako sure. Yun nata yung 4 Torres, no? That one. Layo ko! Grabe! Damn! Mga bundok! Ganda pare!
Ginagawa mo?
Ang saya ko. Ang baba pa lang nito guys compare sa gusto mong puntahan. I mean na malapit. Hindi malapit, malayo pero pwede na. Tangina, ano pangalan? Hi guys, today is July 15 and it's currently 7:57 AM and I'm at Laguna del Campello. Damn! There's no lagoon there because it's a mountain. The lagoon is there. There. Yeah, nice. Gains! Gains! Meron pa doon? Let's go! Pare, shit. Ikutin ko ba to guys? Ang layo, mas mataas pa dun oh. Sure lang, go lang. Kaya ko pa naman siguro. Aga pa eh. So let's go. Guys, gawaan ng blocks, I think, from what I can see. Yung sa loob oh. Damn, that's cool. We're going downhill. Hindi ko lang alam kung kadugtong niya doon. I think no. Oo. Ano, may trail doon no? Oh no guys. This is gonna be a long hike. The view is amazing. Amazing. Impeccable. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Basta shish. Hindi siya mainit guys. Ang lamig ng hangin. Sarap siguro pag malamig no. Sa hiking ka. Pero pupunta ako doon. Hindi, I think bababa lang siya. But I don't know. Grabe. Ang lawak. Sa baba niya.
Could you tell where my head was at when you found me?
Go lang.
Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything. I was lonely.
So guys,
Now you're my
I'll try to find it. I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna be careful guys. Watch. I need hiking boots. Ayoko na! Guys, ito nyo. Yes! Dumi siguro ng pet ko. Ito nyo guys. Mablock pa naman. So that guys is how you hike. Yeah? Yeah. Ayoko na. Diretso na ako. Bye-bye. Look at that.
And where she go, I'll never know. Friends bound to.
Sinakyan ko yun.
I guess it's their loss, but they'll never know what we'll amount to.
Tamo.
And would you be my light, be my yellow? PYT walking down Portobello, put a smile on his face. At the end of the day, MDMA helped us fly away. Who'd have known you would save my life? Who'd have known you would fly my kite?
Hi guys, kanina pa ako naglalakad. Dito pa lang sa trail. Okay lang, hindi naman nakapagod kasi malamig. May ng view. Ito nyo naman oh. Oh, di ba? Ayan mga ano na yan, taniman. Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Hi guys, it's now currently 9:03 AM. Maaga pa naman, pero I decided to go back na kasi from what I can see sa maps, malayo pa to and it looks like it's just a trail na diretso lang. So yeah, I think maganda yung view doon, pero pag diretso mo dito iba na. Although di pa ako nakapunta, I'm not judging it, pero I think it's okay na for me na, and I'm gonna go home. Gonna be like 2-hour walk. So yeah, I'm gonna go there. Bye. I also have my food and I made another first sandwich. We're gonna go home na. Layo pa, pero go lang. Hi guys, you guys remember ito yung unang napuntahan kong spot, yung unang mapupuntahan mo, I mean pag umakyat. So yeah, here I am. Oh, there's a dog. What I can say is it's good, it's cool, so amazing. Although hindi ko na siya dinerecho sa dulong dulo, okay naman yung mga views na nakita ko, yung mga mountains and yeah, mga ganun. Ganda naman. And yo, ang ganda niya tignan sa gilid. Amazing bro. Picture ako ganyan na. Hey. Sige, tara.
When I was younger, I should've known better.
Grabe yun guys, napakaangas. Uulitin? Pwede. Sino kasama? Si baby. Ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo ha. So diba dito tayo nag-start? Oo pala, dito ako nag-start. So tumana ako dyan, dito. And then I think around here, kasi ito yung sunod na I think pag-picturean. So dito ako around middle, ako nag-stop. Kasi wala naman ako nakikita masyado. So bumalik ako from there. So yeah, hanggang doon lang ako. So wala pa siguro kalahati yan. Ayun na. Wala yung show. Sa susunod guys, kung ano, kompleto.
Can't see past my blindness. Ophelia, you've been on my mind.
So guys, dito na naman ako. Uwi na. Pagod. And it's already 10:24 AM. So yes, let's go home. Guys. So here I am sa train station. Waiting for the train. I don't know how many minutes pa. Kaya walang nakalagay. Dito ako sa dulo kasi malinong. Yung mga tao nasa loob. Kaya walang masyado tao sa labas. So yeah. Ganda. Sa baka ko, ang dumi. Mga close up yan. So yeah. Yung fit ko guys pala. Okay. Saka lang nag-outfit check nung ano. Nung pauwi na. Yung damit. Naks. Jacket. Ta shorts. Ano yan? Hindi kita. Basta short. So yeah. Pagod naman. Medyo masakit siya sa paa. Paano pa kaya kapag hike ng malayo, di ba? Although hindi siya, hindi ko kinomplete lahat. Malayo pa rin yung nalakad ko. Yeah, ano naman, goods. Puno pa yung tubig, madami pa. So, siguro maupo na lang ako dito and wait for the train. So, yeah. Ayan guys, ang ating malupitang shoes. Dumi na. Wow! Guys, wala pa ako sa bahay pero tanga ako. Dito ako sa Piwas Subordinaciones. Akala ko dito na magpapalit. Like kasi may ganun. Okay lang, 5 minutes naman yung next train. Hindi naman ganun katagal. So, I wait. Tanga lang. Yun na. Hey guys. My phone! I love my phone! Come here.
Like we care about us.
Touch my phone.
Can we talk about love? Like we care about us. You say, let it breathe. But the pain of my heart can't let it be. We both can agree. Tell me what is the
Skibidi dum 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 dum. Yes. Skibidi. Skibidi.